Hello and welcome to the AdPlify demo. This is your friend Cyril Jeet, and in this quick video, I will try to show you exactly how you can get more traffic, more sales, more conversions at a lower cost from Facebook using AdPlify tools. Facebook is the most wanted traffic source for almost every marketer online, and that's why the ad costs are going up, up, and up, and the returns are just falling as we go. So if you are doing conventionally what other people are doing, you're going to have to compete against them one to one, and you're going to have to pay more than them to put your ad inventory to put your ads in front of other people. Now, AdPlify is a software suite that we have put together based on our research and also using the research from other top marketers to identify what are the most important tools that internet marketers use for Facebook advertising in the top segment, people who advertise a lot, people who make a lot of money from Facebook. And what we've done is we have brought together all these tools in one single place. So AdPlify is that suite which replaces 7 professional marketing tools out there which people are paying separately for month after month. So if you buy AdPlify, you won't have to pay for those 7 tools. They're all inside of AdPlify. So let me get right into the demo and show you how AdPlify can revolutionize your Facebook marketing. So I'm going to log into my AdPlify and I'll be taken straight away to the dashboard. This is where I can actually review what AdPlify has been up to, all the results that I've been getting. And on the sidebar, I will see all the tools that are a part of AdPlify. So like I said, AdPlify is your central console, central command center for Facebook advertising. You don't have to buy 7 different SaaS products. You don't have to pay for 7 different SaaS products, and you don't have to log in into 7 different SaaS products every day to do your job. So the first thing in AdPlify is the ad watcher. And this is something really incredible because if you are going to advertise on Facebook, one of the most important things you will want to do is take a look or keep an eye on your competition and the gurus, the thought leaders, the top marketers that are going to show you how to make your ads work better. So you can do that right inside of the page watcher. I have already set up some places. So for example, this company that is advertising a lot on Facebook, I can click on view ads and I will be able to see all the ads that they are using, all the ads that they're running, and I will be able to then model my ads. If I'm competing with them, I'll be able to understand exactly what they're doing and I'll be able to model my ads. And anytime they release a new ad, I will be notified. So this is something very, very superior to any ad library that you've been getting, because what this product does is way beyond. It lets you keep an eye on the fresh, the latest, the best ads from your competition, your gurus, and it will notify you so that you don't have to go and manually check in different locations when all your competitors are releasing new ads, or waste a couple of hours every day just trying to research 10 things or 12 things. You can get this done automatically inside of AdPlify. So you can add any page, any URL, just type it over here, type the URL ID or type the name, and you will be taken to that particular page. For example, if I was to type my own company's page, I can just click on find ads, and now AdPlify will find all the ads that are running for this. So here's the ad running for the page, and based on the region where you're in, you will see the data. And this way you can discover any ads that are running for any advisor on Facebook. But actually you can do more than just discover the running ads. You can actually track the ads of any page live, and anytime they release a new ad, you will be notified. For example, I have added the Amazon page to my AdPlify, and then I can see in view ads that they're actually running right now a bunch of ads. So here are the ads that Amazon is running right now in the region that I specified. And anytime they release a new ad, I am going to be notified about it. Like in this notification icon, you can see that there is a notification, and you will be receiving an email. I can choose to receive an email, and any of my competition, whenever they release a new ad, I can be notified inside the app, or I can receive an email so that I know that there is a new ad from my competitors or my gurus, and I want to check them out. And that's not all. It keeps a historical record of all the ads running. So anytime your ads, even if your ads stop running, even if your competitor's ads stop running, you will still find them in AdPlify because they have already been curated, and you can follow up and see how your competition strategy is changing with time, and you can change your strategy too. And this innovative ad tracking technology is only the first thing inside of AdPlify. Before I go and show you a detailed demo of each of these, I want to do a quick review showing you exactly what they are and how they function so that you can find out before you watch the detailed review how amazing AdPlify is. So the second thing we have inside of AdPlify is the interest finder, and the interest finder will actually give you thousands, tens of thousands of audiences and hidden insights that you can't find inside of Facebook Ad Manager, so that you can run very targeted ads and save your money too. Next, we have the retargeted filter, and the retarget filter is gonna let you do behavioral retargeting inside of Facebook, so you can target exactly the audience that is the best engaged and get the best results from your retargeting. Next, we have the email to audience, which will connect your autoresponder to your Facebook custom audiences. And the best thing is your leads that come inside of your autoresponder from any source will be immediately synced to your custom audiences so that you can run fantastically targeted retargeting ads to the leads, to the actual people who sign up to your lists without wasting any time. Strike the iron when it's hot and then get maximum conversions, again for a very low cost. Then we have the ad decorator, which is a great tool that will let you create amazingly graphical looking text ads. You've seen them online, of course. You've seen how they attract the attention and how they grab people's eyesight. They make people stop right in the feed, and you can now create these ads without wasting a lot of time using the ad decorator. Then we have the page targeter, which will let you go into any niche and target the topmost pages in that niche, take the audiences, see what they're doing for engagement, and then you will be able to discover what your competition is doing in any niche, take their audiences, and also build your business around their strategies, try to capitalize on what they are doing and compete against them better. Finally, we have the Facebook ROI calculator, the return on investment calculator, which will let you find out how your ads are going to perform as you scale up. You'll be able to find out how much money you're going to put in and what kind of results you can expect. So even before you scale up your ads, you can discover what kind of returns you can expect and how much your investment is going to do for you. So that's also possible. Now let's go and take a look at each of these tools and see a little bit of how they function. All right, the first tool is the interest finder, and the interest finder will actually give you thousands of interests, thousands of hidden audiences and hidden interests inside of Facebook that you can't find inside the Facebook ad manager. And to get started, you can just put in any topic you want. For example, I'm writing shoes, click on search, and you will get access to all the interests that are inside of the Facebook database, even if they're not available to the general people. Inside the Facebook ad manager, you can find all these interests. You can keep scrolling, you can keep going to the next pages, and you will discover all these interests. And any interest that you want to target, for example, let's say you want to target skate shoes, which is an interest here with almost 800,000 people which are interested in this topic. You can just click on target and you will be able to then use it. You can put it in your favorite. So if you've created a favorite list, we have a favorite section. You can create a favorite list over here and then it will be available, and then you can put all the interests that are relevant inside that list, maybe connected to the campaigns that you want to target. And this way you'll be able to discover so many interests that are unexploited by your competitors, because you see most of them are still using the ad manager to find the audiences, and they will not be able to discover what you will find inside of AdPlify, because this data is not a part of the ad manager at all. It's only available through the APIs which we are connected to inside of Facebook database, and this information is going to be very exclusive. The people in these audiences haven't been overexploited by your competition, and any ad that you run to them will get better conversions at a lower cost because others are not targeting this audience at all. Next, we have the retarget filter inside of AdPlify. You can do behavioral retargeting and target your site visitors based on the actions they perform on your site, not just by the demographics or the age group or all of those factors that you've been using in Facebook ads so far. So this is going to unlock a totally new form of retargeting for you, targeting the exact people who have taken some action on your site or who have spent a certain amount of time, so that you can find exactly who the engaged people are and then target them with ads to get the maximum number of conversions without having to spend a lot of money. So here's how you do this. Click on FB ad account and you will be able to either add a new account. I've added a bunch of accounts already, and You can also add a new custom audience, create a new custom audience, or add your custom audience into AdPlify using the add new button. And finally, you have to connect the custom audience to the filter. You have to make the behavioral retargeting, and that's very easy. Just click on add, and then you can select what do you want to do with the visitors, like how many days visitors you want to target. If you want to target, let's say just the last 15 days, you can do so. And then you can choose what behavior you want to target. Do you want to target how much time they spent on the site, how much of the page they scrolled, what languages they are trying to read or what's their native language, the referral source, where are they coming from, the number of visits, how many times they visited your site, the date of the visit, that is when did they last visit your site, the visiting device, what device are they using, are they using any particular kind of mobile phone that you want to target, or any particular computer or any particular OS, you can do that. And if you want to if you want to connect to a special campaign, if you want to understand that is connected to a special campaign, you can do that too. And all of these options are a part of behavioral retargeting. You can select what option you want to, how you want to refine it. Put a number here. For example, if I want to say that people are at least spending 14 minutes on my site, and I want to target people who have spent 14 minutes, I can do that. And what will happen is I will have a very hugely engaged people, subscribers and people. And when I show my ads to them, I will know for sure that with very few impressions, I'll get very high conversions. And now we have email to audience. This is the place you can connect your email list inside of your autoresponders to your custom audiences on Facebook. And anytime anyone signs up to one of those lists, they're also sent to the custom audience so that you can immediately retarget them, and you can show them very targeted ads. And you know those leads are hot because they just signed up to your autoresponders. So the conversion that you can get from this are going to be practically massive. So this is how you use this. Click on FB Ads account, and as before, you can add any FB ad account that you have. It's going to just quickly take you to Facebook, and you will be able to add the account. Next, click on autoresponders, and this is where you add your autoresponders. Click on add autoresponder, then you can select, we've got a bunch of all the leading autoresponders already here. You can select them, and you'll be able to set it up. I've set up MailChimp already, so I'm not gonna waste time trying to show you that. Then click on email to audience, and you will see all the custom audiences that you've added over here. And next to that, you can see a list of autoresponders and the list of mailing lists that you've connected to these audiences. And that's very easy. All you need to do is click on this link button, connect autoresponder links, and then you can just keep adding all the autoresponders. Right now we only have one in our test project, so just add that. And you can also select the list. All the lists that are in the autoresponders will be shown, and you can add multiple autoresponders and multiple lists to your custom audience. And anytime a new lead is added to that list, anytime a new lead subscribes to that list, you're going to get it inside of a custom audience. And you can see here new leads 3, so that's visible. And you can even see a list of those leads. If you want, you can see who are the people who have been added to your custom audience along with the emails, so that you can know exactly who's being targeted inside of your custom audience on Facebook. Next, we have the ad decorator, and this is a perfect way to create amazingly eye-catching text ads that will attract people's attention. This is an example of an ad that we're currently running for AdPlify, and when it runs in the Facebook feed, people will notice this ad because it just stands out from all the other content. There is a lot of work gone into this, into creating this ad. It's got a mix of colorful emojis and icons and little bullets that will attract the person's attention, make the ad easy to read, and make him want to take further action. Now, to create this ad in the usual way, you're going to have to spend at least 10-15 minutes, maybe more. And if you create multiple ads in the day, it could take all day. So to make things simple, we created the AdPlify ad decorator. And here's how it works. The ad decorator has multiple tools. The first is enclosed text and emojis. Then we've got the list mode, with which you can create a list easily. Then we have the point mode, which will let you insert a single emoji. And finally, the repeat emoji if you want a repeat line of emojis, for example. Now let me quickly add some more styling to this text and show you each function and how you can use it to style your text quickly. Let's say I want to enclose this link into a link icon. Just type link over here. Let me go with this one, and you can see I've got the link icon over here. And let's say we got a couple more list items. I'm just going to add a list very. So I've quickly added this little list, and let's say I want to add a star next to it. So I'm going to change the mode to the list. Then I'm going to look for a star. Maybe this one should do. I'm going to select the text and then click on the star, and you can see quickly I've got the list nicely formatted with the icon that I selected. And then let's say you want to add an icon over here, maybe a star over here. You can do that very easily by using the point mode. So first let me delete this little thing that I created. The point mode, add a couple of stars, very easy. Then you've got the repeat emoji. So if I want a list of emojis that should span some number of emojis, some number of repetitions, I can do that very easily too. So I will just first select the repeat mode, then how many emojis I want. Let's say I want 10, and let's put in 10 coffee cups. So you can actually add a lot of jazz, a lot of sparkle to your ads without having to go through a lot of pain, because everything you need to make such amazing ads is right here. You can scroll through them, you can scroll through the emojis, you can see what are the options, you can select from the options you want. So here's everything that you can use. Or if you want, you can make things really easy. Just type in a little word like, let's say you want a fox, type in a fox and you got a fox. And of course, you can have them in repeat mode or in close mode or whatever you want. So use this tool to make your ad stand out. Of course, they're going to look something that the feed doesn't have already, and people's eyes will be drawn to them. And you can use this to get people to read your message, click on your ad, and take action. And then we have the page targeter. With this tool, you can find Facebook pages in any niche. Let's go for choose again. Click on search and you will see the Facebook page, the likes, number of likes they have. And if they have an audience available, you can target their audience too. So when you click on target, it's going to find out if there is any audience by the exact name. And if there is an audience available for that website, for example, like planetshoes.com or runningshoes.com or onlineshoes.com, you can then target the audience and you'll be able to target the people who like this page, and you'll be able to run your ads to them and get very, very targeted results. And finally, you have the ROI calculator, which will show you very quickly what you're going to do, how you're going to do in your Facebook ad. So you can select how much you're going to spend starting from per month, starting from $100, and what's the current CPC or what's the CPC you expect. You can select calibrate your CPC, and based on that, you can select what sort of conversion rate you have on your past data. You can select the conversion rate that you're getting right now. So if it's 3%, you can select 3%. And then you can also find out or put in the data about how many of your leads are turning into customers. Let's say if 10% of your leads are turning into customers. And finally, how much are you getting from the sale? Let's say you're getting about $35 from the sale. Then just click enter and you'll be able to see that based on this data, you will still make a loss of 1731 USD. So let's say if your conversion rate was 6%, then or 10%, based on these numbers, you will need to have a conversion rate of 10% to get to the objective of just getting a profit. Using this ROI calculator, you can quickly calibrate and you can estimate what campaigns are going to make more money, what campaigns are going to make less money. And if you're running a present campaign, you can extend it, you can make it, you can do a projection for the entire month, and you can see exactly how much money you could make or how much money you could lose, which will make you a smarter marketer, which will give you the information you need to make better decisions. So this was AdPlify. It's got 7 modules: Ad Watcher, Interest Finder, Retarget Filter, Email to Audience, Ad Decorator, Page Targeter, Facebook ROI Calculator. And using all these tools, you'll be able to calibrate and make amazing Facebook ads that get you better results. And these are the tools that marketers are using right now, but they are paying separately for them on multiple platforms, which is actually 7 times the cost of what you will pay for AdPlify. In fact, it's going to be more than 7 times, because other people are charging much more for this than we are charging for AdPlify today. And everything is in one place. You can make it your ad console. You can come in, run your ads, you can calibrate your things, and then just go back to your work. You can go back to relaxing, whatever you want. No need to log in into 7 different places. AdPlify is your console for Facebook marketing.